Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best tabletop phone tripod on the market, the Cooper ChatStand Adjustable Cell Phone Stand. Whether you're working from home, doing video calls, or creating content, this stand is designed to make your phone experience comfortable and hands-free. The Cooper ChatStand features an adjustable height range from 9 to 14 inches, allowing you to position your phone at the perfect face-level angle. This is key for avoiding that uncomfortable neck and back strain that comes from constantly looking down at your device. It supports phones with widths between 2.6 to 3.7 inches, which covers almost all smartphones including the latest iPhones and Samsung models. One of the standout features of this phone stand is its 360-degree rotation and 50-degree tilt. This means you can adjust your phone not only vertically but also horizontally and tilt it to suit your preferred viewing angle. Whether you're on a Zoom call, watching videos, or recording TikTok and YouTube content, this flexibility makes it easy to get the perfect shot or view without hassle. The build quality is impressive, with a sturdy metal base and rod that give the stand a solid feel. The base is weighted and equipped with a non-slip surface, so it won't slide or tip over easily. The clamp that holds your phone is silicone padded, ensuring a secure grip without damaging your device. Plus, it's a universal clamp designed to fit a wide range of smartphones comfortably. Setting up the Cooper ChatStand is straightforward and quick. It's easy to assemble and adjust on the fly, which makes it an excellent choice for anyone who switches between work, study, and entertainment modes throughout the day. It's also great for content creators who need stable, hands-free phone positioning for recording cooking videos, live streaming, or video conferencing. Another thoughtful detail is the stand's minimalist design in night black, frost white, or gray, which looks sleek and fits well on any desk or vanity. Cooper Cases also prides itself on zero plastic packaging, making this a more environmentally friendly accessory compared to others in the market. In summary, the Cooper ChatStand offers a perfect blend of versatility, stability, and ergonomic comfort. It's a reliable solution for elevating your phone experience, helping you maintain better posture and freeing your hands for multitasking. If you're in the market for a dependable, adjustable phone tripod for your desk, this one deserves serious consideration. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching.